We're fucked.
Yo, holy
one of us is gonna die here. I'm letting y'all know right now.
I never
It's
die.
not gonna be me. I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna be like, hey. Yeah, I hear them. I hear them.
Yeah, those dudes.
Yeah.
This guy.
Yo, I'm going back to the whip. I'm not.
Oh shit.
I'm out, bro. I'm out now.
Oh shit.
I'm about to call.
What are you jacking?
They're coming from the right. Stop talking! Oh my god.
Bro, the smoke from your whack ass car is throwing us off.
Yeah, let them go to the fucking car and then boom, shoot them in their fucking face.
Yeah,
Nah, they're
that
probably
you
on the
first
street
person
somewhere.
to shoot?
T.
Oh, wait.
I see them. I'm out. Hit the don't go. Don't go that way. Go.
What? How?
Oh.
Damn, yo, Pika got
Yo, they asked somebody with everything.
Yo, PK, what the fuck you died so fast? Damn, dude. Damn.
One of us is gonna die here. I'm letting y'all know right now. Like Donald Trump, the Diablo.
Yo, there's mad dudes. Get inside the car.
We out. Can you take the keys?
Yo.
He can't get in. Oh no, go. They like get in.
Oh shit, I'll be back for y'all.
I'm out. I wasn't checking. Pull up. Yo, bro, chill, bro. Yo, somebody think that as you bugging.
Ram, how you die? Yo, you always die.
Yo, my nigga, stop. Yo.
Oh shit.
Go.
Get inside. What? That didn't work.
Holy shit.
Yo, Ram died sitting there.
Oh my god. Yo, Rev, you're the first one to die, I guess.
For real.
Bro, I just get cut. Wait, hold on. Stop the car real quick. I'm just bait. Oh, shit. Fuck, that was the first time I died first. Second.
Oh, you died?
Yeah. If you're in the back seat, shoot through the windows, not from the front, you dumbass. Oh my god.
Can't do this.
PK fucking killed me.
Science.
Oh, I blew up.
Oh my god, that just blew mine.
Damn, PK,
Oh,
PK, you by yourself. I fucked up. I'm sorry.
Oh shit.
They blew up our vehicle. PK, don't die.
They saw me. Oh shit. He's getting lit up.
Help him. We can help him. Oh shit.
Damn, what? What the where? How?
Damn. I got that. Yeah, they're all in the other house. Like right across the wall.
Ram, you about to what?
No, I have my fist out.
What?